Hey, why are you here? Why are you here? We're going on a nature walk. Well, it sure is dangerous. Shut up. Didn't you die running into the forest? Yeah, I got struck by lightning. Go away, feet. I got struck by lightning, and look at the sky. It is clear and bright. So do you think that I'm gonna get struck by lightning? No. No, not all. What the heck? What did I say? Get out of here! Let's just go. Biscuit! Why are you eating the grass? Stop it! Stop it! It's time to stop! It's time to stop! Biscuit, it's time to stop! It's time to stop. Okay, we're here now. Oh, jeez. Yeah, what a nice day it is today. It's so bright, the sun is burning my eyes. Now, don't go blind. Shut up! I didn't ask for your opinion. Now, ew, dead leaf. Okay, I found a rock. That's a nice rock. Ow! Shut up, you little rat. Shut up, you little rat! Please don't tell me to shut up! Ah, frick, now I need to go after him. Ow. Hey. Hey. Come on. Out of here. No! Oh, we're in a new place. I fell! Oh. Well, bye. Emil, get over here now! You little rat! Jeez, I'm not leaving. Don't you even think about leaving, you little rat. Stop calling me a rat. I'm not a rat! Shut up! I didn't ask! Turn off that stupid light. Thank you. Stop! My God, I hate you. I hate you. Ah! Argument noises. Useless pun noises. The side of my phone case will never be the same after this video. Okay, we seriously need to do something now. Yeah, other than freaking smacking me around. Hey look, there's a bunch of clovers. Let's go look for 4-leaf clovers. Okay. Alright, let's look for 4-leaf clovers now. Let's see, no luck so far. What the frick was that noise? Cookie, what was that? I heard some weird noise. There's some sort of... Hey! Ew, what if it's a rat? What if there's like one of your family members somewhere? What did I say about calling me a rat? How am I floating? Whatever. Magically floating powers now. Whee! I don't see any 4-leaf clovers over here, and this place is bad. I don't like it here. There is no 4-leaf clovers. I hate it. Maybe I can find one. Get out of here. Oh. No, nothing. Ha! Hey. There has to be one over here. Fun fact, I have found 4-leaf clovers over here before. Look at the water droplet on that one. Ooh. Pretty. For a second I thought I found one, but no, this isn't one. Here's a leaf, here's a leaf, this is a leaf, this is part of that leaf. So from what we've seen, there are no 4-leaf clovers anywhere. Dang it. For some reason my dogs keep looking over. Ah, bee! Sorry, I got stung the other day. It was really hurting. Well, and then it started to itch a lot. Bird call! Ah! I found more clovers. Maybe we'll be lucky enough to find one. Ooh! I bet I can find one before you can. Oh, you're on. I have found some over here before too.